available on the RT3 as well. We were finding that things were getting really banged up, so we built in this storage box. So the camera slides are nice and easy and kind of goes over the lip that helps hold it in place. Also, these camera storage boxes have lead lining in it. So for the regulations, if guys are out in the field and they want to store their cameras overnight, the law is that it cannot be higher than 2.5 MR at wherever somebody's standing. So what we've done is, with the location of the device and the lead, it brings that to below that point. So guys were putting in lead, auxiliary lead, and there's lead, and people were handling it with their hands. Right now, all the lead is contained inside the plastic, so there's no touching it.